Good morning, children. Welcome to the EVS subject. Today I am taking to the new lesson number 8. Let us build a house. Okay. In this lesson, we are discussing about different types of houses. Okay, children, and the different materials used for the constructions of house. You know, children, what do you know about the house, children? And why do we need house? We need house to live. Okay, we need house to live, and house is very important in our life. Without house we cannot live. Okay, and house is protection from rain, sun, heat, and other thieves and other dangerous animals protect us. Okay, and basic necessity of our life, house is very important. Okay, and all the houses different one to another, and observe in your locality many different types of the houses will be there. You know, yes or no? Yes. Some of them are shown below. Identify them and write their names in the space provided. See, children, these are the different types of the houses, and you fill the dashes which house, what is the name of this house. Okay, in this picture, first picture, which one house? Hut. This house is called as hut. And next, second picture, this house is called as tent. And another one, sheet house. Next, detached house. And next, bungalow or terrace house. And next, building or a apartment is called as apartment. And next one, farmhouse. These are the different types of the houses. See, children, have you seen the constructions of house nearby your place, nearby your school or your area where you live? I hope everyone has seen the constructions of a house. In this lesson, the different materials used for constructions of a house. You already I am told you, the house is very important. We need a live. We need a house to live. So, the first picture is a hut. This is house is called as hut. We can easily build the hut. Okay. And the next one, tent. We can take out very easily and shift it from one place to another place. Tent. When we will go for outing or picnic, tent stay for sometimes to build the tent. What area the materials need. Okay. So next, children, there is one of the activity. Which are the materials used to build the houses that are shown in the picture? Make a list of them with the help of your friends or teacher. Another one. Okay. Already we have seen to the different types of the houses. The types of the houses you should write. And next, what are the materials used to construct the house? So first one, here write hut. Hut. What are the materials used? Wood, mud, leaves, sand. Okay. Next, tent. What are the materials used? Cloth, rope, tails, and metals, etc. Next, sheet house. What are the materials used? Sheets, mud, bricks, metals. Next, bungalow. Cement, tiles, concrete, and glass, etc. Next, farmhouse. Construct the tiles, metals, and glass. Next, apartment. Concrete, glass, tiles, and metals. These are materials used to constructions of different types of the houses. Okay, do you understand, children? See children, here the four types of the different types of the houses. The picture of the different houses are given below. There is information also beside the pictures. So this is the different types of the houses we will be discussing. Here first one. What is the first picture children? Do you see here? This is tent. Okay. So here is written, this is tent. Tent is not a permanent house like other houses. Okay. You can stay inside me for some time. To build the tent, the use of the materials plastic, rope, stick, iron and different uses of materials. So built the tent. It is also easy to shift from one place to another. Next one, hut. This house is called as hut. Too many materials are not needed to build a hut for constructions. Hut house is built, the constructions are built or constructions the house use the materials is wood, coconut leaves and bamboo, sand, etc. And hut is very easily built. Okay. Next, detached house. Detached house. What are the materials we need this roof? Okay. This roof is very thick. Roof is made of tiles. The materials required to build a roof is tiles, cement, sand, brick, wood, stone, glass, etc. and concrete, iron, etc. These are materials used to construct the detached house. Next, roof is thick. It will be cold in summer and warm in winter. Okay children, this house is built to construct the materials bricks, bamboo, mud, clay and sand. These are the different types of the houses we built used the materials. Okay. Look at this children, this detached house picture. This house is roof is very thick. Trace. How nice. This house says I can resist heat, rain and wind. Therefore many people appreciate me. This house is teller. Okay. Make a list of the materials need to build this house. Okay children. So write here. Let us write here. What are the things to build the walls? What are the things to build the doors? What are the things to build the windows? And what are the different things of build the roofs, floors? These are the materials used to construct this house. So one by one you should write in these blanks. Okay children. First one you should write walls. In these walls, what are the materials used to construct the walls? First, walls you should write bricks, cement, sand, mud, concrete and paint. Next, another same things children. Doors. Doors is constructed the materials wood, metal, glass and paints. And next, window. Window is also different types of the materials we use. Wood, metals, iron, etc. And roof, cement, bricks, sand and metals. Next one, floor. Tiles, sand, stand, cement, colors. In this floor constructed tiles is very important. Okay, these are the different materials we will use to construct this house. Okay children, do you understand this? What are the materials used? Which one house? Different types of the houses, different types of the materials will used. Okay. Next one, small poem here to related the different types of the houses. Sing and enjoy. The tent is easy to carry. You know children, tent is very easily to carry. A hut is easy to build. Okay. And house of red and brown tiles. House, what is the color of this tiles? Brown. Red and brown. House with a thick roof. You know children, house is thick roof. Roof is thick. Terrace house with cement. How to build the terrace house? So cement is very important to build the terrace house. All houses are beautiful. All of us need a house to live in. In last is very important line children. So all of us need a house to live in. Okay, do you understand the meaning of the different types of the houses? And children, you also collect some different types of, some pictures of the different types of the houses, and you understand what are the materials used the constructions of the houses. Okay children.